The Industrial Revolution begins from 1750 to 1940. Have you thought of its cause? It all began with the group of thinker and writer in England at that time. The Industrial Revolution happened because of new machine, better farming, lots of coal and iron, and more trade. This made production faster and create many factories and jobs. Another cause of the Industrial Revolution was the rise of a strong middle class. They had money to invest in new businesses and technologies, helping industry grow and expand. The Industrial Revolution started with agricultural advancement, population growth, and invention like the steam engine, improved iron production, transportation system, and expanding global trade provide raw material and capital, leading to mechanized factory and transforming Britain's economy in the late 18th century. Adam Smith is concerned about how to improve the productivities of labor. The revolution was caused because of the thought of others, and that changed the entire world. In the 18th century, 1784, Henry Cort developed the pulling process, significantly advancing iron production, and they can be subtly part of a machine. In the 19th century, 1807, Robert Fulton Clermont becomes the first commercially successful steamboat. 1825, George Stephenson, Stockton and Darlington Railway, the first public railway opening in England, make our lives more convenient, and 1866, Alfred Nobel invented dynamite so that the military could use it, and we can use it in many ways.
Industrial Revolution has a long timeline, so there were many major players. Although there were many of them, I still named the 6 most important players during Industrial Revolution. First, this is Thomas Newcomen. He made the first steam engine. He was born in February 1664, and he was dead in 1729. The second major player is James Watt. He was asked to repair a model of an atmospheric engine by Glasgow University. He was born in 19 January 1736 and died in 25 August 1879. The next one is Brantley James. He was a British engineer. He born in 1716 and died in 1772. He built the first industrial canal in England. Here is John Winslow. He invented an extremely accurate machine for bringing cannon berries. He was a mayor. He made cannons and other weapons. He was born in 1728 and he was died in 1808. Mitchell Faraday. In 1822, he invented the first electronic monitor and discovered electromagnetic induction. It named as Faraday desk. He born in 1791 and he died in 1867. M.C.L. Morse, he was born in 1791 to 1872. He was an artist, inventor. He had improved on previous version of the telegraph by designing a reality system.
The next things I want to talk about is the timeline of the Industrial Revolution. The revolution lasted from 1700 to 1900. The main locations are in Western Europe and North America. 1700 to 1710. The era of the Spanish, first English newspaper in England, and England with Scotland together, United Kingdom of Great Britain. In 1700 to 1775. James Hargreaves spinning jenny, the first inventions to bring about a fundamental change in condition of the British worker. 1765 to 1825, by America Ella
Destiny was another major invention in colony production. American inventor Robert Fulton used steam power to create the first steamboat in 1707. In 1833, January, British Parliament member Merrick Stanley first, such as a Saturday Report, 1831 to 1832, a review of child labor in British textile mills, and in 1866, Alfred Noble invented their method so that its men could use it, and we can use it in many ways. In 1901, September 14, Theodore Roosevelt becomes President of the United States upon the death of William McKinley. In 1903, the Wright brothers achieved the first powered flight. That is why we can travel to different countries a lot faster than other transporting. Where to begin? From 1940 to 1945, the Industrial Revolution finally ended.
The Industrial Revolution has single-handedly created what we call modern society, although it has also caused a lot of environmental impact, including the rise of global temperature and climate change. It is still considered a massive success. It ushered in an unprecedented level of both technology and economic prosperity. The improvement of transportation, communication, and common rights are the cornerstone of our economic society today. This greatly improved the quality of life for many people. The Industrial Revolution also greatly affected the way people look at each other. This further caused the fall of monarchy and the rise of democracy, where everyone seems equal and judged fairly.